Look who it is. Spy. It's a little spy. Anyway, welcome back to part 2. Yeah, so these are all our girls and boys, but mostly girls. Yeah, and we need to move them. But anyway, these are where we keep all our calves during the summer. This is the best place for them. I have no idea. They don't get moved enough. They probably don't get fed enough. But hey, I do my job, so does it matter? These girls are my lifeline. I take care of them best I can. Other people here may not, but I do my job. That's all to it. I see no point in not taking care of these guys. They're the farm's lifeline. It's just morally right. So, we really don't have a good tail training sort of thing for these guys. I mean, sort of just pail train them when I feel like it. I've tried to pail train Pint. Spy's doing good. Juno's always Juno. All these guys are pail trained. We always try and bottle feed them when they're born, or at least I do. Get them colostrum as soon as they can. Yeah, right, Teal. Right, Teal. Corey. Where's Kissy? Kissy. Kissy. Hi, darling. Kissy's my good girl. Yeah. Yeah, Kissy. I've been starting to try and pail train these guys from when they're young. Like, I'll go show you a Stan. Hi, Ray Ray. Junie. Maddie. Maddie. Okay, Maddie. Hi, Stan. Stan is only a few days old, maybe a week. I'm already starting to try and pail train him. It just makes it a lot easier to get us pail trained, a lot less work. You could just set a pail down, get through it quicker. Well, Bing here doesn't want to get pail trained. Right, Bing? What's up, huh? You don't want to get pail trained? Bing's a good little guy. So these tags, the big white tags, mean they're a beef herd. Or they're going to the beef herd. And Bing here is going to be a big beef herd. Yeah. Yeah. The thing with organic farming is, well, first of all, we don't use milk. Well, we can use milk replacer, but we don't. We use all normal milk from their mothers, which takes time to get, especially depending on who's milking. And the only thing we put in our milk is vinegar for these little guys. Right, Nest? Okay, Nest. Yeah, you can hear them falling down there. They're gonna feed down. The only antibiotics we can use are organic, like Benamine, or Banamine, all that. Other than that, these guys are sort of on their own with medicine. When they get scours, we try and give them electrolyte powder, but that's about it. Alright, today's short video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.